Big up Crosses TV.
Cassis TV, manners and respect.
So the other day when you put up her page, she called me and let me know, and I didn't know. You know, I read comment by comment.
Robert supplier.
Oh, she have
Until she
to
gets a
find
new
Kim,
supply.
financer.
Kim know what she had though. Kim a have her back. You think Kim fool? Kim a watch and listen everything.
There, Kim, I tell
Tuffy
you,
rub me, I'm
no,
gonna rub her back. I told her that Tuffy this week I'm gonna rub her. I don't care what Brandon wants to say. I go when I go down the memory lane. Because I'm not that bitch. I'm a different kind of bitch.
yeah, girl.
You understand? So Tuffy don't no secret for me. Me I Tuffy no sit and chat people. Tuffy is my target with my enemy. Hope to some things about me. And I get mad and I'm supposed to be angry because I'm not supposed to sit down with Tuffy and talk about me. Now I'm a man. So that, I mean, so Hope is a troublemaker.
She says she feels sorry for her pressure.
So who says them feel sorry for her pressure?
No, cause pressure said Kim sound dumb, knowing what Tuffy is about and still a entertainer.
As Kim said, pressure, she just a helper.
Pressure, let me tell you this. I don't care if Tuffy want to come on social media and beg. I told her that. I cannot change her to be a beggar. But when you tell lying people, I don't agree with that. To get something, just come on and say, you know, I'm hungry today, I can't give me $20 and $50. Straight up. She have to come tell me.
Yo, her begging used to annoy me to Kim, but me can live with the begging than them story and she can
Exactly.
mix
I
up
don't care if she
people.
want to beg because I would not judge her because if I was in her position,
And you can't feed her every
I would have
day.
begged too. But she just come and say straight up, you know, say, post, you know, say, oh, auntie, post, you think you can give me $20 today or your pocket stay.
Everybody we give her, she did
Yeah,
do
you have
that.
to come and say, oh, Candy, you know, say, me frost out today, you think you have a $10 you can give me? She have to come and say no lie.
You know what? Honestly, you see, after she came and she told us the lying story, and then her daughter come tell us everything a lie, she actually confessed to everything and said from moving on forward, she not gonna lie again. Yeah, right. The lies them get worse and the story.
Yeah, because when she cussed me everything and the daughter come out, you know, the people them run away and say, Pussy, you make she come. And blah blah. I'm still ask Candy, me still make the people them say, oh God, man, still help her. And them still help her. After that.
Paul, do you know Anchor? Paul,
remember when she go borrow people them style?
Yeah, but me telling you, say the people them style she borrow. I remember she come and said me, I look her man. When me I said to her, so when I make your man go get to work, I turn you and a pussy no say me, are you a look me man? Me know you a look me man.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that because that's wrong.
The dirty panty.
Police say he did not say that, but anyway, I told him, Paul, you know, I have a big link at Jamaica. I have a big company at Jamaica. I tell Tuffy, through the whole bag, I don't call the people them. But I don't call them and tell them, say, at least get 2 days, 3 days, and she work. I tell
Tuffy do not want to work, lady.
It's like him not see that.
You know, you me tell us that Tuffy get too much. So we know Tuffy don't want to work. We try to get Tuffy a wholesale in our yard, and she want a supermarket with drive through.
Tuffy go through 3 deep freeze. 3 deep freeze. I want none of them there. She still have every boomerang.
I want to tell you, lady, Tuffy don't want to work.
Oh, no, help her, no care. All of this thing, she just don't want to do.
She don't want to work. When we tell her, when me I stick out for the work, she class me 0.
Jesus.
Oh, you're out harder. Who for money I tell you go look at work. Out hard. Narcissist behavior.
Oh, God.
You can't tell them to go look at what them expect of you for mind them and take care of them because you hold them. It's
that means something is wrong with her.
That's why I just said.
Something is wrong with her.
He's a narcissist. What do you expect?
She get Canada link for farm work and give it to husband, and husband still in a bed and collect the money them where people are saying.
Wow.
Don't look like she want work, lady.
She don't want work. She don't want hustle for herself. She can't stay right where she there hustle. She don't want hustle nothing.
I told her that.
Tuffy would have the biggest stall in a town.
So what she said, she's in the community is dangerous right now. So why don't say something?
And that she said the last. Remember last?
She has said that for 3 years now.
Okay.
2 years now, Kim. From 2021, it's
even the
the same
community
story.
dangerous.
Oh,
you see people coming to your yard and buy. Come here, dangerous now.
I say you can't sell some juice. I say you can't even go to school and sell something.
Just remember when she call and cuss, we say we're lucky she eat her oxtail and drink her carrot juice. I say me grudge her too, she eat oxtail and me eat chicken back and forth.
You know, we can't take this something in
A
that.
Tuffy sick, man. Me not pay a Tuffy, man. Me not gonna lie, but all me I say, Tuffy need to get Kid, you need to go to push school. My school, I charge the people come on my school. I'll say push look her man. Yes, and me look
Pressure
oh
upon
my God.
them. Pressure upon them. Tuffy can't treat me. I know everything what Tuffy are doing in the book. Everything what Tuffy in the book. I just don't. I'm a person. I'm quiet and sit back and watch how far you're gonna go. That's the type of person I is. That's why I say Tuffy don't know me. I sit down and watch everything every moment Tuffy do. I ain't stupid.
There is a mental health condition in which people have an
Listen.
unreasonably high sense of their own importance. They need and seek too much attention and want people to admire them. People with this disorder may lack the ability to understand or care about the feelings of others.
I don't like your mama. Remember for this program, I don't like your mother, your father, your sister, your pity them. What's
So you
up, your
see,
mother?
so all I'm
Not me, I
appealing the
say.
man, Kim. Kim, you see, with them, narcissist personality disorder, she have mental health condition in which people have, well, I'm find Tuffy mental state of mind.
Put that Google fucking up.
Tuffy, you need to stop. So narcissistic, she's a narcissistic personality disorder is a mental health condition in which people have unreasonable high sense of their own importance. They need and seek too much attention and want people to admire them. People with this disorder may lack.
Well, and them in a cut you, may I come down for a second, add apply pressure upon them.
Them now,
And
she
then
not come no way. She
she
just in
said,
the camp.
add me, auntie,
All
add
right.
me. You sure you want to come up?
Yeah,
Yes,
all
she
right.
come up, man. She said, add me.
They lack of the ability to understand or care about the feeling of others. So they don't care. That's why you hear me tell Kim just well, they don't care about your feelings if you just feed them. Once you cross them line, you send
I know
request,
all of that, baby. I
they
know all of that, sweetie.
become your enemy.
Just watching everybody. I know all of that shit, sweetie. I know more than what you don't know. You don't understand.
You better know because when Tuffy come, well,
You
you
are
not be no scare no more supply and encouragement.
You are Google. I do my original research in a real life here.
Me I buy one of them right down on paper to me love. Me they end up with one narcissistic person, so me make sure I go study. Camille never go in the set shop when me go in before.
And then Tuffy, you get brother, I go somebody, you know.
And she go on to she lose it to she greedy.
You see, when she lose Brandon, I don't know who are going to help her. Yeah?
And that's with narcissists. Them have good people around and them sell them out for them sell them out. They like sell them a Joan and then hold on pan straw when they could have climb up on the rock. And them sell them out. And then end up with nothing at all.
She lose Brandon check fare for free, you know. I tell her already. Brandon check fare for free. I said Brandon check fare for free. Hold on pan him tight and don't lose him.
Hold on pan him, girl. Hold on pan him.
Okay.
She need to stop, man.
Exactly. Brandon talk to her, I talk to her, and she don't want to stop. She gonna lose.
Apply pressure, I don't know what.
Because not every day you find good people.
Yeah, they're hard to find. But she can't help herself, you know. She cannot help herself.
Not everybody want to tolerate her behavior. Because I'm not that type of person. When you start doing fuckery, I'm gone. I block you and delete you. Block and delete.
She just cannot help herself.
I don't do foolishness. As simple as I don't do foolishness.
But a narcissist, she can't help herself with it. She don't want to work. They want everything coming easy to them. Them tell lie and say them no lie. I don't apply pressure. I don't right now. I say unable to. I have to go apply pressure. I have to go end the life and come back.
I ain't gonna lie to you, Bedford, yeah. She Brandon is a good person. She found a good person. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
Kim,
Yeah.
you know what?
and these people. So can I just say you're done? So I mean literally you're done. Take care of you tell about mama and one bag of
This
something.
me, you call me done, so now.
Yeah, but it not literally mean you're done in the education. Just done because you make tough your tongue and you idiot. You know, you not work on these people so. For no attack, I don't want to over your reason. You could attack when you attack, you never bogus up, madam.
No,
like, oh, yeah, Tuffy broke you out, so Tuffy make you start war like you're bad.
Talk up.
No, mama,
Tuffy make you start war like you're bad. Yes, because that Tuffy boy, mama, you never normally be like this. If you was a calm girl on the internet.
Mama just say, say actually, me on Facebook. A long time I start wearing people,
Nobody not know you keep them. We not talk them war, we talk rubber up war. We not talk them war the way you talk.
The narcissist to apply pressure the narcissist around
anyway, me take it that way.
Yeah, but listen up, post. I know she can't address Tuffy right now. Address Tuffy what she disrespect Foley and tell her that who are here. Address her now. When I want behind the door, why you address her on the live then? That is for do.
Yeah, address
her now. Look how much people over here address her now. She wrong. She should never do that mix up about Tuffy and Mary. A lot of time she do it around. Come in your inbox, come tell your lie. Address it now, make we hear. Bring her down.
She not for bring her down.
Bring her down, Auntie, she want to come in your class. She forget bring down for that. That is trouble.
No,
yeah, but she not for bring her down. Because she knows that she don't write it, so she not for bring.
And you know, so we want about the push rubber, the put a one that pussy. Now we don't want you no more, because you too soft. Like grandkids have you too soft.
We don't like that pussy, yeah.
Yeah, we want the push we have the mic and put on our battery rider and come out.
Jesus!
We just had peace right you know. We just want peace over drama.
No, we want about the rubber don't push. We want
have to pay for that. The one
where cash up for the rubber?
It not go work. I'm trying to spark her up the other night and she no look the other day. She no look for me. She come over and start diagnosing me.
But Kim, how long we for wait for you for address Tuffy situation with Foley today and Berry? Because that was really out of order.
No, what kind of situation?
She want me call her.
She go over listen, push. She go over she go tell Kim say Tuffy Foley and she go tell Kim say Foley and Berry at she killed Tanny. What kind of mix up that Tuffy go do?
Money time.
Money on a post. Kim, she believe in a Tuffy now. Tuffy, what I'm saying, I'm very over here.
Nobody not clowning. I'm just at peace.
You say sorry to Foley and Berry. Are you supposed to bring down Tuffy? No,
I did.
But the clown we can't flex. What you want to say? You think every time we can war with people, war. No,
are you alone on Tuffy side? You know this? Are you alone?
That's why I'm not fight me down. I don't think me are pulling out with foolishness.
So yesterday when we hear Foley and Berry in an argument because of Tuffy?
When that today? Yeah, may I be real with you? I don't say I keep it real. The whole I want against me because me I embrace Tuffy. Me I tell Tuffy good stuff. Me I tell
Tuffy. We know what Tuffy is about.
Listen,
well, me not against you,
Kim. There's some people that just don't change. No one's against you, but
all right,
everyone is saying the same thing I just said. If I have to talk to someone and I have to record them. That's a lot of fucking work. I'd rather not deal with you at all. That shit is weird.
Mama, listen to me. If my man like her,
that has nothing to do with your man. Let your man deal with her then. Because your man is not going to sit on the internet and argue, and whenever he gets disrespected, it's going to be you.
Exactly. That's what I said, you know?
But again, you can't tell like how you support her. You can't tell her say Tuffy you need satisfied. I just calm down off of the internet and so if you go still up on the internet, like when we need to help you for them.
Right, like shit, like I talk to her. Talk to her too. I talk to her. So Tuffy need to be.
I'm glad that y'all talking about y'all. If that's the case, you better talk to Tuffy daughter, because Tuffy daughter is a young lady. Y'all over here talking about a grown ass woman like she not a grown ass adult. That's the crazy shit.
Pause.
Talk to what?
Mama, I talk to her. I talk the little girl reach out to me. I reach out. I talk to
And
her.
that's who you need to talk to. You over here talk about you talk to her. I'm grown ass woman, but I talk to her, I talk to her, I talk to her. What Brandon, you forget your 6 more blood clot, dog?
But listen now. But a while ago, Kim made up on the level talk to her and I tried to talk. I counsel her about something. You know what Tuffy do by you? Kim, you go call this. Come on for the live now, because she don't want that.
Okay, because she don't want to hear me.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm going to be honest with you, no. She call me and I say, I no answer. I tell me phone then. I say, come no answer because she do that purposely. Because she do me and tell the truth, she egg me up. Yeah, I don't know yet, mama. That's why she egg me up. Yeah, she egg me up. I'm glad to pay attention. Me pay attention, so you know. Me pay attention, too.
Toughy, have your bad.
Yeah. But Kim me call
Toughy will tell you, say, yeah, look her husband, watch.
What is that? What is that?
Toughy will tell you, say, yeah, look her husband, and she never get her husband.
Jesus Christ.
You know, me can't wait for she come out and say, Brandon did want me. Wait, man. Me can't wait. I'm always here for the fucker, though. Can't wait.
I don't know why you go pick up this baggage for Kim. Why you pick up baggage for? Look how time hard and rough and you walk on and pick up baggage.
Boy, mama, boy, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. This is just.
What kind of blessing you want? So certain blessing you for make pass you. Make somebody else
run well left it.
Brandon, I tell you, Richard, Brandon want the blessing, you know, because I have no blessing already. I not lie, you know. I want the blessing, you know. Because let me tell you, me a girl, me a serious girl, you know. I don't forget, me no one thing, me never forget nothing. I never forget nothing yet. Never forget nothing yet. You understand? And I, like I said, just can't put stuff in my prayers. I make God pray for her, make God give her a change.
Then the amount of Psalms our daughter read for you, what more prayers?
Hey, move Psalms 23. Move Psalms 35. Move Psalms 37.
I forgot catch up candy. I forgot catch up candy for play about the record.
When our daughter did, our daughter make a life and curse her out?
No, the vice note them should kill her with every Psalms.
Lord Jesus, for real?
Move. What John 3:16 for the Lord give me something begotten son, something like that. Cause you know, some not really to read on the Bible still. But yeah. But what right now, I can't wait for Baga put TV put it up so I can use it in one of my reel them.
How far it gone? Lord Jesus.
I want to use the vice out of it. Right now, I'm going to send you a road, mama, yeah? But get your own cash up.
Kim, come off. I will still away from fully apologize and bury. I will still want you bring down Tuffy on life for what you do for
no, me not
fooling it.
Yeah, but you have to go apologize to Foley them thing.
No make you want hear it.
Say Foley under the comments too.
Yeah, come off and add Foley and say sorry to Foley and Berry and address the situation because we are wait. Baga want if you put up on us. Something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo,
apply pressure.